हामीले सोचेका थियौँ आजको यात्रा एउटा सामान्य हाइक मात्र हुनेछ, तर पानी, जङ्गल, झरना अनि बाटोमा भेटिएका जुगाले यो दिनलाई अलि फरक बनाइदिए। यो यात्रा सुरु भयो बुढा नीलकण्ठबाट। हामी जम्मा 6 जना थियौँ, 3 नेपाली र 3 जना युरोपेली साथीहरू।
Bye.
Wow.
This naughty you go bad boy forever.
My wet step. Yes, thanks.
So is it fun?
A lot of fun. Super fun. Super fun. Yeah.
I like that. अनि तिमीलाई कस्तो लाग्यो खेलेर?
खुसी लाग्यो.
जङ्गलभित्र पस्दै जाँदा वरिपरिका आवाजहरू पनि बदलिँदै गए।
What the fuck? I don't know.
keeping you going?
Like love for nature, I would say. And this beauty, like and greenery, it's super nice. Super nice. Yeah, yeah. I love this place.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Yeah. I'm scared of you now, eh?
Wait, what's keeping you going?
Oh, I really like. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the entrance, it was like to the left side, so that means we climb and did all this.
Yeah?
Name?
This is the one.
I think, yeah, that we saw at the beginning.
Yeah, but I mean, we've been walking what 2 hours from now.
And what is
Oh,
the
more.
difference to go down?
तर जङ्गलमा एउटा अर्को सरप्राइज पनि हाम्रो पर्खाइमा थियो, जुका।
I'm doing the same, eh? By the way.
No, me no, I'm paying
Like,
attention.
I don't know why Leech is not with me.
Yes.
हामीले सोचे भन्दा बाटोमा धेरै कुरा भेटिरहेका थियौँ। What surprised you the most?
What?
What surprised you the most?
Here?
Yeah,
Waterfall.
waterfall.
Yeah, we don't have a lot in France.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. I love waterfall.
This place is beautiful.
Beautiful place.
Yeah. Is it similar to hiking in your country?
Kind of. It's not that different actually, because we have the Pyrenees, which are like high mountains, and they are very like also green. We have it's like very forest-like. Maybe we have less. It doesn't look that much as jungle. It's more like forest. But yes, it's quite similar, I would say. Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
सहरबाट केही समय टाढा हुँदा वरिपरिका साना कुराहरू पनि विशेष लाग्दा रहेछन्। र यति धेरै हरियाली बीच हिँड्दा पनि काठमाडौँ त्यति टाढा थिएन। राम्रो भ्यू छ काठमाडौँको। So it's a beautiful waterfall.
Beautiful waterfall.
What surprised you the most?
Whoa. I don't know, it's flowing a lot. And it's with the stones. It's nice, beautiful. राम्रो.
हामी बाटोबाट फर्किरहेका छौँ। Hugo and me. समय बित्दै जाँदा हामी फर्किने बाटो लाग्यौँ। शरीर थाकेको थियो, तर दिनभरिका अनुभवहरू भने यादगार बनिसकेका थिए। So, Guillaume,
Yes.
was the hike worth it?
It was super worth it. It was so beautiful. राम्रो hike. Shivapuri is dami. Oh, कत्तो राम्रो. Dami.
And Shreya?
Yes. Dami. It's like dami.
So,
Perfect.
Hugo, was the hike worth it?
Yes, definitely. But now I can't feel my leg, but it's worth it.
Okay.
So, Margot, was the hike worth it?
Hike from Robayo.
That's nice. Nice. र फर्किँदा पनि एउटा सानो साथीले हामीलाई छोड्नै मानेन। हामी शिवपुरीको पिकसम्म पुग्न सकेनौँ, तर त्यो दिनको यात्रा कम विशेष भने भएन। वर्षा, जङ्गल, साना ठुला झरना, जुका, हाँसो अनि फरक देशका साथीहरूसँग बिताएको समय, सायद यात्राको सुन्दरता यही हो। फेरि अर्को यात्रामा भेटौँला। How are you feeling so far?
I am feeling very tired so far.
What about you, Guillaume?
Tired. Very
Oh.
tired.
And you?
Me too.
So, Hugo, how are you feeling so far?
She's also very tired.
Super good. Always.
Oh, that's nice.